Hello, my name is Jenna Reisig, and I am the chair of the History Department at Regis. Let me start by introducing you to our team of historians who will talk about our four-year program.
Hi, my name is Kara Papp. I am one of the freshman teachers. Over the course of the freshman year, students move throughout ancient Greece and Roman worlds, looking at how the Roman Empire gave way to Europe of the Middle Ages and transitioned into the Italian Renaissance. During the third trimester, the students will also engage with the Middle East, focusing on the region's development to the modern day after centuries of interaction with the West.
I'm Father Arthur Bender, and I teach American history here at Regis that forms the core of our sophomore program. In the American history course, we look at the political, economic, social, religious, and cultural developments of the United States over its 200 plus years of existence. An added element to the program is the American Studies program, where students are encouraged and able to work on individual projects wherein they take a particular cultural artifact, like a movie or a work of literature, a piece of art, and show how it responds to or criticizes the particular historical context in which it was created.
My name is Kate Landron, and I teach junior European history. In junior year, students take a survey of modern European history, which begins with the Renaissance and continues through the end of the Cold War. There is this particular attention given to the economic, social, political, and cultural trends of Europe during this time period. Students will also have a chance to fine-tune their research and analytical skills. And this includes completing a college-level research paper. Though it's not an AP course, students will have the opportunity to take the advanced placement exam in European history.
Hello, my name is Andre Anselm. The Regis Senior Elective program is meant to enrich the students' experience of history and to demonstrate the research and writing skills learned during the previous 3 years. Elective choices, both Western and non-Western, are based upon the expertise of the individual members of the department and the interest level of students. Currently, Cold War, Constitution and Government, New York City History since 1898, and CSPI, Contemporary Social and Political Issues, are the offerings.
Thank you so very much, and we hope we'll see you at Regis next year.